Good day, guys. This is business person your way today again. You can see with the strategy. You can see is what I've been using now and is working perfectly, guys. Before I move on, kindly like and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Now, guys, let me now go back to the main chat so that I'll be able to explain some things for you guys. Don't forget we're working with the zoom level 2. Okay, now we zoomed it in 1 and 2. Now you can see, for those who are asking where will the entry be, this is our entry here. We have our first confirmation, and here we have our second confirmation, and we have our third confirmation, because we have a downtrend already. Okay, so we have our third confirmation here, which means that there will be a spike to meet up with the moving average of 200 here. So definitely, as the trend is moving down, you can see, so selling will be easy. And also we have another, excuse me, and we have another confirmation here, which is telling us that the moving average of 12 and 20 has crossed each other. And as you can notice, you can see we have a spike against us here, you see, but the spike is not that long. And now the trade has been running for over 5 minutes now, and everything is still awesome and everything is still cool, guys. So now if I should go here, you can see we have a lot of position that's running, which is telling us that the strategy is working perfectly. So this is how you can swing for with the strategy. And also you can see we're picking our sell right from here with the Ichimoku lines. That's when the blue line has crossed the other red line, so we go for a sell. You can see, so this is how we can trade against the trend. And even if a spike will happen now, the spike will definitely come back to recover. Okay, so the spike will definitely come back to recover. And someone asked me that how are we gonna know if the trend is gonna go up or come down. Now I want you to notice something in like 2 or 3 places. Now let me go back a bit so that I will be able to show you. Okay, let me go back so that, okay, let me go front. I export one here so that I will be able to show you guys. Now you can see from this point here, you can see we have a downtrend. The trend is coming down. Okay, it's coming down. So the trend is coming down. Now I want you to notice something at this point where the candlestick is about to form another trend. You will notice that as the trend has came down to this point, then we have candlestick spike, candlestick spikes that will go above the moving average 200. The spike will go above it, then it will retest. Okay, then it will start going up. Now if you should find anything like this, definitely there is the starting of a new trend, guys. Sorry, I'm kind of tired. So you will see then there will be a spike that will form an uptrend from this point here. So the trend will not the candlestick will not come down below the moving average 200 again. So it will start moving up, and as you notice, you will see the MA 12 and 20 crossed each other above here, which signifies that it's coming down. Okay, it signifies that it's coming down, but unfortunately you can see it was stopped by the moving average around this point. It was stopped. So we have like 3 spikes that is going up, which means that it has changed the trend. Okay, now let's look for another good example. You can see the trend is going up, it's going up, it's going up, and if another trend is about to form coming down, you will see exactly what will happen, that the candlestick will have to come down and go below the moving average 200. Now okay, you can see, look at this point too here, look at this point too. So this is exactly how you can swing. You can see it broke through the moving average 200, then it went back up as a retest, then the downtrend now continues. Okay, but if you are trading with this kind of strategy, you don't just need to be fair, you don't just need to be scared, rather you don't just need to be scared. You can see it came down, it came down, it came down, and by so doing, when it's going down, you just have to like keep locking in your profit by setting your by moving your SL towards the downtrend. Okay, so if probably if another spike wants to happen, it will just eat your SL, then you'll be able to uh, pick your profit, so it won't be as if you lost money. Okay, so you can see it broke through around these points to form an uptrend again. You can see it broke through, it went up, but the retexting is not that it doesn't come back to the moving average again because it has formed an uptrend. So sometimes the retest will not come back here. Okay, will not come back to meet the moving average 200. So you can see the spike, it went up because you have an uptrend, and you can see at this point too it breaks through the moving average again, which is telling us that we'll probably have a downtrend. Then you now wait for confirmation. You now have to wait for an entry to confirm what's about to happen. So you have to look at the Ichimoku RSI and also the moving average on the main chart. Okay, and now when you check the Ichimoku at this point, you will notice that the Ichimoku is at you notice that the Ichimoku line is at the level 80 around here. You can see, so it's coming down, it's coming down, and if it's about to form an uptrend, definitely if it's about to form an uptrend, you will see the candlestick will have to break through the moving average again. Okay, so you can see this one no, you can see it's still going down. You can see it's still going down, it's still going down. You can see, so that's why it's take us here. Now if you want to exit, this is your entry at this point. Now if you want to exit, it's very good for you to exit at level 50 here. It's very good for you to exit, but probably the the candlestick will probably get to around this point here. You can see you can also set your TP around around this point here. You can set your TP around this point here. Okay, but we should be fine now with the profit. We should be fine now with the profit that we have, guys. We should be fine now. We should be fine now. Greediness is not a good thing. You can see. You can see. So I'm trading and I'm not scared of spike. Okay. So guys, I'm feeling sleepy a lot. You can look at the time. It's getting to another fresh day. That's 11:50 p.m. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would just want you to kindly do so. Subscribe and like my video, and also turn on the notification bell. So guys, stay safe and God bless you. Bye bye.